Welcome to IT networking. So guys, blue screen error BSOD in Windows 11 and 10. So this problem issue is more than Windows 11. So I have 4-way and simple step. You can all command give in description. So this is rule by how to resolve this problem. So you can cleanmgr Windows R, enter. So now this open, so you can check all, okay, and then clean. Okay, so now calculating and then clean all temp file and those files not want to Windows. And then guys, second way, fix bad disk area. So this is cmd command and Windows, press Windows button and cmd, and right click to run as administrator, then click to yes and paste and enter. So then this check it the next time the system restarts, just press Y and then again enter. So and then restart your system and remove third-party program. I show you some unwanted antivirus, so please uninstall. I showing some photos. So light shot, this is do you have in your system or laptop, so please uninstall. And one more way, and fourth way, this is perfect restore. So this is command, and I will give you in description. You also copy paste. So copy and Windows R, then V, Control V, so paste. Okay, so this is restore point, system restore. So next, so I have a 5/5/22, so you can restore 2 to 3 days ago restore. So you can restore old date. So like I have today 5/7, so 5/5. So you can next. So yeah, this is not sure. And then click to next and system restart. Okay. So guys, thank you.